Hi, I'm Paul Rigby, co-author of the B-Book and the B-Book version 2.0. In this short video, I'll provide a brief overview or explanation about our offerings and how they can help your organization to stay relevant. The B-Book and the B-Book version 2.0 were written to support our workshops. They provide a common language to enable participants to easily understand the content and to work better together. We prefer to say, keep it simple, make it crystal clear. And this is how we facilitate every workshop. At this time, we have 5 workshops on all based on the B-Book and the B-Book version 2.0. These form what we call the Knowledge Club. The objective is to enable senior and middle managers to become better leaders. We've delivered these in over 50 countries. We deliver in English, but the books have been translated into over 16 languages, which we believe covers roughly 7/8 of the world's population. They are in Arabic, Bahasa, Cantonese, French Canadian, Dutch, Farsi, French, German, Hindi, Russian, Spanish, Tamil, Turkish, Urdu, Vietnamese, and of course, English. The workshops are delivered over a 2 or 3 day period. They are packed with great content, lots of exercises, videos. We have great interaction. And at the end of every workshop, we have what we call a plan B or an action plan to enable participants to start implementing immediately. We are all about practicality, urgency, and achieving results. By using the concept of the B-Books, and we ask every participant, by the way, to read a copy of the B-Book before they participate. It only takes an hour. By using the B-Books, this helps engage participants to bring a little fun to the workshops whilst ensuring a serious side to the learning environment. We also provide various materials, posters, etc., and everybody will leave with a learning guide. So why 5 workshops? Here's our thinking. Every employee should understand change and support change, and I hope you would agree with that. We have Be Ready for Change workshop. We believe it's not that people are fearful of change. They are fearful when they are unprepared for change. This workshop prepares them for change and provides an excellent understanding about the concept of change and what is required from a professional and personal point of view. We follow a 3-step model: prepare, engage, implement, and we know from experience this helps make change stick. In order to help people want to change and be an active part of change, they should ideally be engaged and to go above and beyond, to do more than it is expected of them. We have Be Engaged workshop. At the end of the day, we try to make this the best place to work. We don't want people to leave their hearts and their minds at the door. And that's what we try to achieve through Be Engaged workshop. We also use what we call the pollen model: purpose, operating system, which is the culture, learning, leadership, entrusting, and nurturing. In order to be an agile leader, an infinite leader, one must understand innovation and what it takes to be a truly innovative organization. We explore how being innovative affects business models, the culture, and ultimately the results. We have Be Innovative workshop. See, it's not just about being agile. There's more to it than that. It's about understanding the 3-box model of innovation, understanding what to let go of, what needs to work today, and what we need to do in the future. As we like to say, innovation is all about commercializing ideas. Be a Great Leader workshop combines the learnings from the previous 3 workshops, plus we use a 9-step model for effective leadership to enable participants to become great leaders. We source content from our own experience in the field, having led large multinational companies over the last 25 years, plus having run our own franchise operation, and we've gleaned from the top thought leaders whom we've had the privilege to work with, and we combine this into a really great 3-day workshop. Finally, we believe that all employees should, in fact I'd like to say must, understand and support the concept of what it really means to be a digitally enabled business. We're not talking about just doing digital, we're talking about being digital. Being digital is not just about technology and fancy apps. We argue it's more than that. It's about the people, the processes, the procedures, and the business models. We have Be Ready for Digital Business Transformation workshop. This workshop is based on the B-Book version 2.0. In essence, it is Change version 2.0. We believe that this workshop will enable everybody in your organization to really understand what it means to be digital and enable your organization to be fit for purpose. In each of these workshops, we typically prefer to have between 24 to 30 people. We believe this is the magic number. It's where we get the best interaction, the best participation, and the best engagement. We also offer condensed versions of the workshops in 2 or 3 sessions of 2 hours per session, but nothing beats face-to-face, of course. For each workshop, we also offer a train-the-trainer option, which allows your facilitators to deliver the workshops internally to as many people as you wish. The facilitators must attend the workshop, and then immediately after that, a 2-day train-the-trainer session where we will certify them to deliver the content of the relevant workshop that they have attended. This has proved really popular with clients all over the world, and it's a win-win situation. Our purpose is to make a difference to people's lives, and we believe we achieve this through our workshops in every train-the-trainer session. It gives us great satisfaction and tremendous pride when we receive letters and emails from clients telling us how we've made a difference to their lives. We always maintain that we are just the catalysts for action. We show participants how they can use their experience to make a difference. We ensure that they understand the content, they can deliver it or apply it in the relevant way, and they are not just passive receptors. We encourage and inspire participants to understand the possibilities of what they can achieve. Often people know what to do. They just don't know how to do it at that particular time, or they just need a little push or a little show of confidence. And that's what we do in these workshops. Our workshops encourage all employees to go down the tunnel and put the light on. Basically, we encourage everybody to start taking action now. We're passionate about what we do. We do not tolerate mediocrity, and we have a high sense of urgency. And this is what we push with every interaction with our clients. We've changed our business model since 2016 and incorporated the B book and the Bs into every workshop. Since then, I'm really proud to say we've trained 35,000 people in over 50 countries, and we've undertaken 150 train-the-trainer sessions. The great thing is that no 2 workshops are exactly the same. We customize the content to suit the client's requirements and to help push certain KPIs or focused initiatives in their business. The B-books may be branded with your logo, and we permit a customized message to be incorporated inside the book on the first page from your CEO or from a senior leader. We've delivered workshops to a variety of clients in diverse industries such as banks, investment companies, pharmaceutical companies, food industries, oil and gas sector, educational institutions, construction, services, office automation, telecoms, engineering, just to name a few. These workshops and the B concept apply to any business, in any culture, in any country. And we've got the results to prove it. And we're really proud of what we've achieved with our clients. I hope this short video has answered many of the questions that you may have had before this video was made. And if you require any further information, please engage with me. I look forward to spending some time with you on Skype, Zoom, whatever the platform is. And we hope to hear from you soon to help you overachieve your targets, to help you keep your business relevant. And we hope to continue to make a difference to people's lives. Thank you for your time.